English grammar part 50. I just would like to share with you all that this 50th recording of mine is somewhat special for me, I feel, because the journey of first recording to 50th recording I could reach only because of you all viewers. You all supported me, cooperated with me and motivated me to reach till here. So I would like to thank all viewers, well-wishers, children, parents, as well as teachers, colleagues, friends, family members, relatives and everyone who motivated me to reach till here. Thank you once again to each and everyone. Let your showers of blessings be over me so that I can give best in my upcoming videos. So with your blessings, with your support, today we are going to begin 50th recording. The topic, the concept is adverb of manner. So here we go. Shall we begin? Let us know first what is adverb of manner. Okay, so we already dealt in last to last class, adverb of time as well as adverb of place. Okay, time will tell us when action took place. Place, adverb of place tell us where action took place. Whereas adverb of manner, what does it say? What kind of information it gives? Let's have a look. Okay, so this adverb of manner give information or tell us how action took place. It answers the question how. Okay, how something happens. How something happens, or how a person does something. Okay, so it answers for a question how, or how something happens, or how a person does something. Means the action took place, but how it answers for our question. Okay, so let's have a look over the examples related to adverb of manner for more clarification. For example, now neatly, okay, softly, gently, carefully, then roughly. So all these you can just observe. These adverb of manner always end with ly, we can say. Okay, always it ends with ly, but there are exceptional cases also. For example, hard, fast, well, these won't end with ly, but still they are considered as adverbs. Okay, these three plays role of adjective as well as adverb. Okay, what is adjective now? Adjective modifies noun. Okay, so these play a role as adjective and adverb. Okay, so it depends on the sentence where you are using. Okay, what for you are using. So here you can just see we have added ly to the adjectives. We have added ly to the adjective. So neat is adjective, soft, gentle, careful, rough. So all these adjectives which are just modifying noun, when we added ly to it. Okay, so when we added ly to adjective, what we got is adverb of manner. Okay, what we got is adverb of manner. Okay, let's have few more examples for more clarification. Here, beautiful, adjective, when we added ly to it, turn from adjective to adverb. Okay, adjective modifies noun and adverb modifies verb. Okay, so soft, softly, terrible, terribly, careful, carefully, neat, neatly, frank, frankly, lazy, lazily, gentle, gently, successful, successfully, obedient, obediently, quiet, quietly, quick, quickly, kind, kindly, graceful, gracefully, loud, loudly. Okay, and there are some exceptional cases which won't change their forms for when we are turning it from or changing it from adjective to adverb. For example, hard, fast, and well, as I said earlier. Okay, so here we got the idea that what we just got, if we add ly to most of the adjectives, we will get adverb of manner. Okay, let's have a look over the rules. Okay, when we have to use adverb of manner. Okay, there are certain rules and terms and conditions where these to be used. Let's have a look over those terms and conditions. Yes, the first thing is immediately after main verb we can add adverb of manner. Okay, what did I say? After immediately main verb. Okay, let me just write out that one. So what is the first term? Immediately after main verb, adverb of manner can be added. Okay, or can be written. So the second thing, immediately before main verb also we can use adverb of manner. Okay, immediately before the main verb. Let me write it. Before main. Okay, so the first one, after main verb we can add adverb of manner. The second one, before main verb we can add adverb of manner. And the third thing is we should not add adverb of manner in between main verb and the object. Remember that in case if there is object in the sentence. Okay, I repeat, in case if there is any object in the sentence, you must not add this adverb of manner in between the main verb and the object. Let me write it. Do not write in between main verb and object. Okay, so you should not write this adverb of manner in between main verb and object. Then the fourth thing is, in case if main object is present in that sentence, you are liberal to write this adverb of manner after this object. Okay, so you can just write it after object in the sentence. When to add, we can add it after object, but in between main verb and object we should not add or we should not write adverb of manner. Okay, let's have few example to know all these terms and conditions. Have a look over here in the first sentence. Okay, let's find out now where is adverb of manner. Okay, let us find out them. They are hidden in these sentences. I laughed nervously. Can you recognize where is it? Yes, you are right. That is nervously. What is this now? Adverb of manner. Okay. this is placed after verb. Okay, so this is main verb. Main verb. So what is our rule? We can write after main verb. Okay, immediately after main verb. So this is right. He quickly drank the water. Now find out where is main verb. So here it is main verb. Either it will be before the main verb or after the main verb. Okay, so you can just find out here. It is here. So adverb of manner is here. Okay, so it is also written before the main verb. Next sentence, let us have a look. She read the letter carefully. She read the letter carefully. This is our main verb. This is our object. Then where is the adverb of manner? Yes, after object. Okay, do you remember it was said that we cannot add adverb of manner in between main verb and object. So here in between we cannot add. Either it should be after the object or after main verb or before the main verb. Okay, so here it is adverb of manner. Okay, so she carefully read the letter. You can just see here, carefully is written here, adverb of manner. So this is our main verb. So where this adverb of manner is written? Before the main verb. Okay, so here is the object. We have not kept in between main verb and object. If I in case, for example, she read carefully the letter. Is it correct sentence? No, it's incorrect, because here I have placed this adverb of manner in between main verb and the object. So it is incorrect. Okay, so this is correct and this is also. At the sentence Mary could run very fast. You can just have a look over here. Here also it's main verb, and after this main verb there is adverb of manner. Okay, I hope the concept of adverb of manner is clear now. In the next video clipping we are going to have adverb of frequency. Till then, stay home, stay safe and take care of your health.